Good morning, everybody. Matrix here, October 17th. Netflix just announced earnings last night. I've marked off some levels. Also watching Roku dumping pre-market. It's 925 right now. Some good news in the overall market. We have Brexit and EU making up some deals on the side. I'm watching Chronos, which was up 25% after hours last night. And I'm still watching NVDA right now. This video is probably more of like a tape recording video, and I will be trading on the side here on my other platform. And when I do make a trade, I will call them out. Looking at this right now, I have the yellow line is yesterday's after hours closing price on Netflix, and then I have pre-market highs at 312 and pre-market lows at 307.50. Is a lot of volume was done here, as you can see, as it was selling down. On Netflix had an earnings beat. However, the reaction is a little mixed from the analysts. Wedbush is hammering it right now. Credit Suisse is saying it's kind of iffy. So this is definitely some sort of support, this 306.25 area or 306. It's the after hours lows. Okay. So we see that the stock is bouncing from there, but I'm not too happy about this pre-market sell-off. So it's definitely going to be tough to make a decision right out the gates. There is no really opening play because the reaction is mixed. But despite that, Netflix earnings beat, guidance is good. So let me take a look here at the guidance. I see a lot of neutral ratings coming out on Netflix. Baird remains neutral. Credit Suisse maintains outperform. KeyBank maintains sector weight as they had nice subscription growth. Wells Fargo raised. Bank of America maintains a buy. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight. Wedbush is hammering it though. They're saying that. Let me see here. They think the efforts to replace that content with originals will be only partially success. They're saying the company still has major cash burn problems, and their target is 188 on Wedbush, and people are selling into that. And now it looks like it's finding some sort of base. Oh, okay. So it definitely looks like selling happened. The major gap here on the daily chart is 300 fill. Average true range is $9. Looking like it, they definitely want to sell. They're respecting this lower portion of the pre-market. So this is 307.50 is pre-market low. That's where a lot of volume started to get done. And right now we just see like an upthrust, a wake off upthrust right here where they sold off, bring it back up and hammer it again. So this 307.50 definitely a key point to watch here. Lower float, very dangerous. Probably not going to make a trade at the open. Up top, we have Roku selling off from yesterday. All the levels mapped out. That's 331.25 is interesting. Okay, from yesterday, I want to see, or from the prior days before. So I want to see how this 321.25 reacts when it gets there. Let's mark that off real quick. Got 1 minute to the open. This is where I'm getting this level from, 321.25. So let's see what happens. Once again, this video is for tape recording purposes, so I'll be watching the tape a lot, noticing the changes, and I'll be rewatching this as well. Still selling off. I do think the first move is a sell-off. Holding 305. Oh, just snapped. Well, where are we going to get? Sell-off down to what? Here we go. Sell off down to 300 maybe. Let's see. 305 looking to reclaim right now. Holding 305, holding 305. Nice candle. So if I get short here, I'm risking 3075. Zoom in a little bit. Looking at the tape. I'm going to get short here. It's looking weak. Risking 306.50. See if we can get down to 300 from here. My average is 304.60. That's terrible. But I got $1 so far. 304. Could bounce right back into my face. 306. We have a mixed right now. There we go. Continue pressure selling. Looking for a quick scalp though, so I'm going to pay myself real quick right here. Yes. Still watching the tape. We got buyers coming in at 303. Still selling off. It's a big battle zone, 303 over here. Coming back into 304. This is looking dangerous right now. Sellers kind of stopped. Okay, still holding 304. 3041, 3047. Okay, I'm out. This could be a fakie here. Just gonna wait. Got that first scalp move. That was awesome. Got about $1 and change. Get ready to resell if it tops out at 306. Looks like it wants 306 again. Big fight zone. Reclaim of 304 here. Selling pressure back up. There we go. Push through. Watching the VWAP at 306 here. It's having trouble. $304.89, $304.92. I see 92, 92. So if I short now, I'm risking 305. Okay, 305 busted through. Didn't get short. Keep running. Nice. Here it is, the 306 I was looking at. Through 550 holding up. Oh 0580s, 0590s, once 306, busted through. Still watching right now. Nice increase in buying pressure. Looks more like a squeeze. So we know there were sellers in the pre-market. Expecting a pull in 50 EMA right now. Take a look at the 5-minute chart real quick. Nice little recovery. First 5 minutes. So by 9:35, we should get like a reversal for 5-minute reversal here. 307. 307.50 coming into the pre-market lows. This had heavy volume pre-market. I might buy here if it busts through. 307.50. There it is. Yeah, do I want to buy? Do I want to buy? 308. I kind of missed it. The thing is, I don't have a bias on it. That's why I wasn't convicted enough to buy. I'll just wait out, watch the action. Am I recording? I am recording. Okay, good. Okay, see how long it lingers above this range here. If it gives me like about 5 minutes of sideways action, I'm gonna get long. Things above, it looks like it's holding. Okay, watching the bid side here. How far does the bid drop? 44. I see some 44. It's maintaining long. Bids are holding up to 307. They're about to lose it. 307. So still pretty indecisive. They're still battling it out. If it was going to fail, it's supposed to fail hard now. So still watching. Okay, so it kind of failed here. Does it a follow through or does it get sucked back up? If it gets sucked back up, I'm buying. So it's getting sucked back up. Yeah, buyers holding it. No. All eyes on this 305 right now. Testing VWAP. All eyes on this 305. It's looking like it's about to break. Fuck, I think I missed the short there. Like this could be a prime entry, but it doesn't look like it has follow through. A lot of people holding it up right here at 304. So follow through is weak. It's not panicking. Overall market conditions good on the SPY as well. Fade is steady. This is a V formation, so it's like a reverse. I like to sell more down to 300. It's a little too late to get in right now, though. It's pretty much a chase. So I'll wait for a pop back up. Or I can chase. We'll see. Breakdown would be a chase here. I'm getting really far away from price, so I got to watch that. I got to watch this turning point here. I must have missed something to miss this trade. Okay, I'm going to chase short a little bit. It's 301.95 is what I got. Oh, that's not good. Still looking weak. Still looking weak, like a potential double bottom. Get right back out. Get long. Bring it back up to the VWAP. This is a double bottom. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Risking 302.50. It's not coming back up. No, don't like it. I'm going to sell some more. Sell some more. It's a sell back to 300. Now I'm convinced. Now I'm very convinced. The fact that it was retracing up so slow. It's my average here. Ooh, 300, nice. Come on. Pay myself a majority. So my average is 302.26 right now. You got a little bit left. Tag the 300 just a little bit. Lots of volume here. Still looks like it wants 300 though. If it comes back up to the 302 area, I'll get out. 302.26 is my average, so here it is. There's my average. See what it does. Okay, I'm gonna get out. Wow, it's a big bounce here. Positive on the day so far. On this little down move here, I made a lot. It's a quick reversal. Expect to come back down, see if it holds right here. It's 5-minute candle. Major bottom wick at the 300. 943. So I already took a few trades here on Netflix, like 3 trades. Get short, starter size. I have clear risk. It's 302.60s area. $9.45 coming in. 301.86 is my average. Still looking weak. It wants the 300. Come on. Don't like this. Sellers are definitely in control from yesterday's after hours, right? Still holding starter size. It's making a little higher low. Okay, this is dangerous actually. Okay, stop out. Still holding 9 EMA. It's very oversold right now from the open. That's the thing. Oh, why did I stop out? Holding 300 still. So a breakdown definitely get me to sell. 329, that's what I'm looking at. 330, let's go. It's looking heavy. Lots of volume being done here. Spies ripping. Damn it, I want to get long. Okay, so we have 302.5 ones, and then the bottom of the range here, right? So we've identified a range. Snap of this range I want to short. It's looking like it's about to. I'm getting short. I'm getting short right here. It's about to snap. There it is. There's that snap. Average 339. So does 300 follow through? If 300 gives way, it's going to come down hard. There we go. Okay, so from 300, sold one ATR. There's no panic. Where's my panic here? Lots of ways down. 30-minute chart. 296 is the target. 50 MA. Doesn't want 300 though. Holding this 299.50. Come on. Okay, I'm going to take some off here. It's looking very dangerous. 339 cents. Oh, good thing I paid myself there. Back to my entry price. Prior support becomes resistance. Over under 300. Expected this little pop up here. Ooh, you see covering. See a reclaim of 300. I'm going to get out. So that was a scratch. Back down on the 3, sell again. Oh, pretty indecisive for my end. 296. Yeah, let's get down to 296. No signs of reversal. Short average 299.42 right now. Sell more. Add on the new breakdown of the lows here. Got a major gap fill all the way to 295, I guess. Okay. $299.13 is my average right now. Come on. That's not good. I missed my payout. Still looking weak. Good, 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 good. Pay myself a little, a dollar gain. Okay, still holding a little bit. Took half off. Pay myself a little bit more here. Selling momentum stopped. Just gonna hold the rest here. Still green on day. Thank you for momentum. 10 o'clock coming in. 207. Beautiful. 297. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes. 297. Next up, 296. Come on, snap that. So follow this 9 EMA here. This 9 EMA is looks like it's holding it down for the first half an hour. And give it all the way back up to 299. Look at the speed on the tape here. Major selling pressure. Still selling. Oh. It's going to get stuffed again. Looks like it's getting stuffed. Super slow down. I'm going to get out just to be safe. Just to be safe. No need to risk. Oh, wait. So quite a bit of trades here in the morning. Currently flat. Coming into 10 o'clock. Still holding 9 EMA. I'm not convicted though. Like, sold off a lot. My average is not fantastic, right? So I'll let it go. If I miss, I miss. Very happy on the morning so far. Up about, well, P&L doesn't matter. I'm up. So I'm going to have to rewatch this tape here. This Roku bounce. It's interesting. Like a slow grind back up to the VWAP would be nice here at 10 o'clock. We'll see what happens at 10. So lots of execution so far this morning, largely due to my personal indecisiveness, but because the earnings is so half and half, right? And I understand why they're selling this off. But they did beat earnings, and there are analysts upgrading. So headlines are coming out. RBC maintains outperform, lowers price to 420. Huber Research downgrades to underweight. RBC is targeting 420 instead of 450. So that's a downgrade, but they're still aiming high. Nice little reversal. So I want to see, for me to really be convicted to get long, is if it can reclaim 300 and hold 300. Here we are, 10 o'clock. The SPY just broke 300 as well. Tapped 320 cents. Chronos, total miss from the open. That's fine. Okay, so that's the first wave. For the next 15 minutes, I think it's going to set a trend or trade sideways here. Where do we bottom out? 297.07. Nice little tweezer here. I'm not going to long until it proves it's a long. I'm not going to short right here at the lows. So it's just a sit and wait situation. Overall, it's still looking bearish. The 5-minute chart's looking bearish. Let me see if I can bring this over. Show you the 5-minute chart. There it is. 5-minute chart's still looking bearish. You know what? I'll open this up to the 30-minute chart as well. You can see the 30-minute chart, the VWAP's right at the 300, right? So if you can reclaim 300, then it's a long. Like, if you can reclaim and hold. Right now, we're setting higher lows, like mini higher lows. Action grinding is slow. It's from this retracement, from this big down move in the morning. But the market's not convinced it's ready to bounce yet, though, on this name. I could make a long entry here, risking 297. Nope. Still going lower. Okay, so we have a resistance zone at the 300. And the 300 on the daily chart is very key as well. I'm trying to line this up straight because I'm a freaking dodo. Okay, so short thesis still in play. As long as it stays under this area, it's short. That's the thesis right now. So if the short thesis is still in play, I'm looking for a chance to get short. It looks like we got a breakdown. It's new low of day, 297 snap. No follow through momentum. Ah, fuck. Fuck this shit. Let's use a full horizontal. Let's do orange. Holding, still holding. Coming into the daily chart real quick. Map off the 300. See, this is why the 300 is key right here. You see that? Okay. From the looks of it, it looks like a gap fill. Coming down. Let's see. 287.5 would be a little too much. From 300 for one ATR move, $9. So 290 down to the 50 MA here. Major volume 293.80s. That's the next target. So 294, we'll say. Yeah, that meets the criteria. The fact that there's no big sharp down move, that's not convincing as a sell to me, right? So the market wants to hold this area. Formation of a range. This is a $3 range here. Despite looking at this chart, it looks so small. So a bounce back up and a down. So we have one touch, two touch, one touch on the upside. Nothing much on the 5 minute. Let's work off the 5 minute. It's probably easier. Oh, here comes the selling momentum. Just let it run. I did say 296.5 earlier. 296. So that's where it's going. I could be playing a little too cautious in the morning here with that little last bit. Maybe if I reduce that little last bit to even a smaller size, I would be able to hold it. So I'm going to jot that down and remember that. $297 is very key right now. Just lingering around. It's not a major sell-off. 5 minute chart is still on the major downtrend pull. Like from here. Okay. $297.50 is the high here. Wow, still going, giving back a lot of its gains, only up 3% from yesterday now. It will find bottom eventually because I'm thinking this is a positive catalyst. People are selling it because it's up too much, right? $295 psychological whole number. If I were to get short now, that would be trying to pick the bottom. That's not what I want to do. Still holding this downtrend, which I really like. Stuck in the downtrend channel here. Wow. So where did it sell from? From the opening highs, 308 to the lows. So that's one ATR. Looks like it wants the next. Oh, every bone in my being wants to chase this low. So stupid. Come on, find a bottom. Let me long you. Some increasing volume on 1 minute chart here. It's not an exhaustion of volume though. Wow. This is interesting on Roku. 134. Wow, from 297 to 293. I just watch it sell 4 points. Ooh. It's pretty safe to say they want to sell this. Oh my God. This. And it snapped this channel. So nice breakdown. Daily chart. 294 snaps. Was it on 287.5? Really that far? Stocks can definitely go lower than you anticipated, and vice versa. Right? 5-minute reclaim. First 45 minutes of the morning. Major volume coming in, a lot of volume here. A lot of volume. See what happens at 10:15. You notice nearing 10:15, almost the end of price discovery here. People are getting out of their short positions, perhaps, hence this little grind back up. So this pop back up creates a trade decision right now. Do I want to short it if it rounds out at the top, or do I want to wait for it to pull down and hold the bottom and then get long, right? So the safer play would be opt to wait, since I am positive on the day and I really have nothing much to lose. I really want a confirmation for the best trade possible. So we'll give it some more time. I'm going to stop the recording around 10:31. So watch it for another 15 minutes. Interesting. Could be wanting the 100 blue, the 100 SMA here. Nice little tag of the 295. Slow grind up. So if it does round out and it starts coming down, by the time it gets down here, I want to see it hold. If it doesn't, if it holds, then it's a long. If it doesn't hold, I don't want to chase short, and I'll just miss the short move again. All right. Ooh, what was the high of the previous 5 minute? 295.35. Okay, so breaks out at 295.35 could be a momentum long. And you should be able to see a run back up to the 50 MA, maybe even the VWAP here. Doesn't look like it though. So it's, oh, there it is. Okay. Let's wait for this 5 minute bar to finish. Exercising some patience here. Good amount of volume on the reclaim at 295. Okay, expect to pull down. Looking for the higher low. $95.35 was our breakout point earlier. Yeah. Signs of topping action. Here's that test, 95.35 test. Just let it drop. Yeah, it's dropping. Should be a short. Yeah. No follow through. No volume. No volume. No follow through. Okay, so this is a short entry. Did I short? No. Right here, note the time, 10:20, short entry. Rewatch this later. Just when the 95 gave way. Coming down here to the opening price of the previous 5-minute candle, 294.13. Holding it. So little volume. So this makes me think it's a higher low. Eek. And it's a higher low. Right. That means buyers are coming in to protect it. They protected it here. They're getting the next best price. No higher high, no higher low either. Oh, sorry, no lower low either. Previous high, next high, no higher high, previous low, next low. Then I get a lower low. Huh. Okay, so this is a short still. Fuck, totally missed it. Oh, this is definitely a short entry. Okay, so I'm gonna kill the recording right now. Thank you for watching. I will personally rewatch this, watch the tape again, and have a great trading day, guys.